introduce myself. I'm Brian Jacobs. I am the inventor, the builder, the patent pending holder on what is known as the boat and camp trailer. We've put together a single frame boat trailer with a living quarters. When you get done boating, when you get done fishing, waiting for you at the top of the ramp is everything that you need. I have my refrigerator, my full-size bed, my air conditioning, my own bathroom, hot water, sink, and we're ready to be able to boat and camp with one hookup, one easy package. So let's talk about towing a boat and camp trailer. Guys, what is really interesting is with my boat at 21 foot, when I went for my traditional boat trailer that came with it, and then I added a living quarters, and then I added the gooseneck, I literally only added 6 feet to the total length of this unit. Now, yeah, I added 6 feet, but it goes away in a hurry whenever I pull down the ramp, and I can now make a turn with a much tighter radius than if I was 6 feet shorter because I'm pivoting over the rear axle. So I didn't lose anything. Yeah, I gained 6 feet, but I also gained a much tighter turning radius. I love to make that point when we go to the boat ramps and they're full and everybody's like, wow, how's he going to get that thing in the water? You back it in the same way that you do your traditional boat. If you've got a 28-foot boat and I'm parked beside you, we're the same length. So just want to bring to light that, yeah, she looks big because she's got vertical height. Total weight's about 10,000 pounds. That's with a 3,000 pound boat. But this gooseneck, backing down a ramp, turning on a ramp, you're going to be blown away that you're actually more comfortable than you was pulling off of the boat. We are a startup company. We are the Boat Camp LLC. We are patent pending. We've built one for proof of concept. How do you get one? You help us spread the word. You let some of these major manufacturers know that I'm interested in that. I love the concept. I don't care if you're a fisherman, a weekend warrior, and you love boating and skiing. The fact that you want a boat trailer for the living quarters, we need to let these manufacturers know. We need to really shine a light on this thing so we can have them rolling down a production line so that the next time you're buying a boat or thinking about a trailer, you get the option of thinking about one with a living quarters. Help us out. Spread the word.